Top 15 Best Destinations to Visit in South Africa. If you're new to Travel Wish feed, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on the next beautiful destinations we feature. Whether it's the warm subtropical weather, the modern cities, or the delicious food, South Africa combines everything that travelers look for when they're searching for a travel destination. Thanks to its location, the country offers a wide array of adventures that range from going on a safari to see Africa's Big 5 game or meeting a shark face to face. Today we're going to take a look at the top 15 best destinations to visit in South Africa. Number 15. Mpumalanga. Although Mpumalanga's province is relatively small, it's still fully packed with adventures. It's the ideal location for outdoor aficionados as it features cascading waterfalls, mountain ranges, and green valleys. You can take a kayak, a canoe, or an inner tube in the river, or what I'd recommend, just throwing yourself off a cliff and enjoy the adrenaline rush you'll get. One of Mpumalanga's most visited destinations is the Blyde River Canyon, which took hundreds of years to carve its way through the iconic Drakensberg escarpment. Near the province, you have the Kruger National Park, which is a truly magnificent place to visit. It houses a wide variety of wildlife that includes but is not limited to leopards, rhinos, lions, eagles, and storks. Number 14. Cape Winelands. The district is like a breath of fresh air. The Green Valley of Cape Winelands are surrounded by picturesque mountains from one side and villages from the other. If you're a wine lover, then you've definitely struck gold with this town. You can take the wine routes and head to the vineyards where you can find the world's finest wineries. They're known for their brandies, whites, and reds, and have a unique flavor that doesn't exist anywhere else. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to support us by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on the next beautiful destinations we feature. Number 13. Kimberley. Nicknamed the city that sparkles, Kimberley is located in the heart of the diamond fields. It's an ancient city that has a history that revolves around mining. You'll often get the feeling that you're in the American frontier when you're there. It doesn't help that there are old saloons where you can enjoy a cold beer. You can explore the town by going on a guided tour to learn more about its history and mining past. You can also catch a glimpse of the world's most extensive hand-dug excavation. Number 12. Hluhluwe Umfolozi Game Reserve. The Hluhluwe Umfolozi Game Reserve is the only park in South Africa that's signed under a formal conservation effort. It's home to the Big 5, lions, elephants, leopards, buffaloes, and rhinoceros, as well as 86 unique species and 340 bird species. The reserve offers adventures that are different from other national parks and reserves in South Africa. When you visit the reserve, you'll get to see a diverse variety of plants and animals, which you can explore with or without a guide. You can also take a boat along the Hluhluwe Dam, where you get to explore the reserve from another perspective. Number 11. Bloemfontein. Dubbed as the City of Roses, Bloemfontein is one of 3 capitals of South Africa. If you're wondering where it got its nickname, it's because of the annual Rose Festival that attracts thousands of tourists each year. Bloemfontein is more than just a city that's beautiful to look at. It boasts many historical and natural attractions that will wow you. For starters, we have Oliwenhus Art Museum, the National Museum, the Free State National Botanical Garden, Vodacom Parkland, and the Anglo-Boer War Museum. Moreover, the music scene in Bloemfontein is one of the best. There are endless tourist attractions in Bloemfontein, so make sure to stay a couple of days so you'll be able to see everything in the city. Number 10. Addo Elephant National Park. As you've probably guessed, the Addo Elephant National Park is known for its large elephant population with a unique brown-reddish skin color as a result of the red soil. Elephants are not the only animals that live in the park. It also houses the black rhinoceros, which is a species that is on the verge of extinction. Recently, the park has expanded to include the Woody Cape Nature Reserve and has received a group of lions as well as a group of spotted hyenas that are native to sub-Saharan Africa. Number 9. The Drakensberg. Up next, we have the escarpment of Drakensberg. It is a mountainous region that's located between South Africa and Lesotho. It features some of the most picture-perfect sceneries and landscapes. The Drakensberg, which translates to Mountain of the Dragon in Dutch, has truly earned that nickname with its otherworldly mountain range. Number 8. Hermanus. Located in Western Cape Province, Hermanus is a seaside town that's most famous for being a whale-watching destination. Each year, the southern right whales migrate from the winter to spring season to mate and breed with other whales. You can observe this fantastic phenomenon from the town's shore without having to go miles into the sea. A cliffside walk measuring over 6 miles has been specifically built so visitors get the chance to view the migration of whales. Number 7. Blyde River Canyon. Ranked as the second largest canyon in the continent of Africa, the Blyde River Canyon has more of a green hue to it when compared to the Fish River Canyon. And that's mainly due to the green subtropical foliage. You can take a hike along the canyon with magnificent panoramic views of the surrounding area. It features stunning escarpments and cascading waterfalls. You can catch a glimpse of one of South Africa's 5 primates, as well as other animals such as crocodiles and hippos. Number 6. Johannesburg. From fine dining venues to the bustling nightlife and fashion stores, Johannesburg has everything anyone could ask for. This city went through a lot, especially in the 1980s and 1990s, because of the high crime rate. On the bright side, as of recent, Johannesburg has seen an increase in tourism. The city features 2 districts, Newtown and Bloemfontein, and both are equally amazing. The vibe and the energy in the town are infectious and has become a hot spot for tourists. Don't forget to stop by the hipster neighborhood of Maboneng Precinct, which is located in the eastern side of the city. While it has struggled with its rough history for years, Johannesburg is definitely worth a visit. You can learn a lot about its history at the Apartheid Museum. Number 5. Durban. Not only is Durban the second largest city in South Africa, but it's also home to many cultures and religions. It's located near Johannesburg and features a warm subtropical climate all year round, which is why it's becoming a popular destination among locals and tourists. Although the city's buildings and structures were once dominated by just English architecture, it now houses different religious structures such as temples, churches, mosques, and murals. Number 4. Pretoria. Pretoria is a city that's dominated by the purple jacaranda trees, which is why it's often called Jacaranda City. It has a striking resemblance to Johannesburg in so many ways, however it's more relaxed and laid back. The city is home to museums, historical attractions, and natural attractions that you can get to explore. Although business and tourism have been thriving in this city, it still remains a quiet getaway. Number 3. Kruger National Park. One of the largest game reserves in South Africa, the Kruger National Park is bordered by the African countries of Mozambique and Zimbabwe. It's heavily populated by a diverse variety of animals, birds, and plants, which plays an integral part in South Africa's park system. The park houses a group of African wild dogs, which is another species that's on the verge of extinction. The roads and trails of the Kruger National Park are all well maintained, and it's one of the country's most famous safari destinations. Number 2. Garden Route. The Garden Route is a 190-mile stretch to the scenic route that's located on the coast of South Africa. It stretches from Mossel Bay in the west all the way to Storms River in the east. The route has earned its name due to the green vegetation that can be seen throughout the route, as well as the lakes and lagoons that line the coast. And finally, number 1. Cape Town. Located between the mountain and the sea, Cape Town is the most visited destination on the continent. The city prides itself on its natural beauty and warm Mediterranean climate. The center of Cape Town is small when compared to the other areas in the city. If you're the type of person who loves an adventure, then you'll definitely love going on one of the great white shark cage dives, where you'll meet one of the most feared predators on Earth, face to face. For a more tame adventure, you can visit one of the notable historical sites, such as the City Hall, which was built in the early 1900s, and the Castle of Good Hope, which dates back to the 17th century. Did you enjoy our video? Which other destinations in South Africa do you think we should include on this list, and why? Feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. If you enjoyed our video, kindly subscribe to our channel, give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our new videos.